Cummins Inc., Spinoff Atmus Filtration Technologies Inc., rose as much as 15% in its trading debut after raising $275 million in an initial public offering, priced in the middle of the marketed range. And Atmus shares, which sold for $19.50 in the IPO, opened trading Friday at $21.67. They're up 14% to $22.31 at 12:51 p.m. in New York trading, giving Project, a Nashville, Tennessee-based company, a market value of about $1.86 billion. The listing, the seventh biggest on a U.S. exchange this year, adds to a gradually brightening market after a dismal first quarter, which is the slowest start to a year. Since 2016, according to data compiled by Bloomberg, Atmus follows the trading debut this month by another spinoff, Johnson & Johnson's consumer health products company, Cummins Inc., $1 billion offering, including so-called green shoe shares, has been the only IPO to top $1 million in the U.S. this year. Atmus's free car products include fuel, air, hydraulic, and other filters for commercial vehicles, as well as agricultural, construction, mining, and power generation equipment. Reaching 150 countries, the company derived 51% of its net sales last year from the U.S. and Canada. As a business within Cummins, the unit's net sales have grown over the past 3 years from $1.23 million in 2020 to $1.56 billion last year, according to the filings. It's $170 million in net income for 2022, though down slightly from the previous year, was a 19% increase from 2020. Cummins owns 83% of Atmus' shares and will continue to control the company, according to filings with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The offering was led by Goldman Sachs Group Incorporating and J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. As part of the transaction, the spinoff of Atmus included a debt for equity exchange with the two banks, rather than Cummins selling its shares to the underwriters for cash. Atmus shares are trading on the New York Stock Exchange under the symbol ATNU